In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to reconcile a refund received in Xero, a popular accounting software. If you're new to Xero, this quick explanation will make it easier for you to handle refunds in your accounts with confidence. To get started, open Xero and head over to your bank accounts section. Once you're there, find the bank account where the refund was deposited. You'll see an unreconciled transaction for that refund. This is where we'll begin the reconciliation process. Now, the next thing you want to do is locate the corresponding invoice that the refund relates to. This step is essential for accurate accounting and matching the transaction. If the refund is related to a specific purchase, go to the bills or sales area and find the invoice. You can filter by the date or the supplier to find it quickly. Once you've identified the correct invoice, open the refund transaction from the bank reconciliation screen. You'll see a button to match the payment to the invoice. Click on Find and Match, and Xero will automatically search for matching transactions. If it's a perfect match, you can simply click Match. But if it doesn't automatically find the invoice, you can manually select the one that matches the refund amount. If for some reason you can't find the invoice, you can create a new one or simply record the refund as a refund in payment under the supplier account and reconcile it manually. This step ensures that your books stay accurate. Another scenario to consider is if you've received a refund for a previously paid overpayment. In this case, you might have a credit note in your Xero account. If that's the case, simply apply the credit note to the refund transaction during the reconciliation process. Once you've matched or recorded the refund, check that the transaction is correctly reconciled by reviewing the reconciled bank statement. Your balance should be up to date and show the refunded amount properly accounted for. This process can save you time and ensure that your books are always accurate. With Xero's user-friendly interface, this is an efficient way to keep your finances in check without the hassle of manual entry. To recap. First, locate your bank transaction, find the matching invoice or create a new one if necessary, then match it or reconcile manually. It's really that simple. By the way, if you want to try Xero for yourself and get started with reconciling refunds easily, you can use this software for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. We also offer an exclusive extended free trial, so you can get the most out of it and explore all of its features with no pressure. That's all for today's video. If you found this useful, don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and get started with Xero today.